In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wallet on Samsung phone. First, let's get started by opening Samsung Wallet. You can find the Wallet app on your home screen or in your app drawer. It may be represented by a wallet icon. As you tap on it, the app will load and you will see a clean interface designed for easy navigation. This is the central hub where you can manage your payment methods, loyalty cards, and more. By opening Samsung Wallet, you are taking the first step toward a more convenient and organized method of handling your digital finances. If prompted, sign into your Samsung account. This is a crucial step because your Samsung account securely links all your devices and services. You will need to enter your email and password associated with your account. Once you've entered your information, tap on the Sign In button. If you do not have an account, there will be an option to create one. This ensures that your payments and cards are linked securely to your account, keeping everything safe and easily accessible. Now that you are signed in, click the plus sign. This plus sign is typically located at the bottom of the screen and is your gateway to adding new cards or services. As you click on it, a menu will pop up, presenting you with various options. This step is important because it allows you to expand the functionality of your wallet. You can add payment methods, rewards cards, and more, making your wallet a versatile tool for everyday transactions. Next, tap Samsung Pass. Samsung Pass is an integrated feature that helps you securely store your login credentials and payment information. By selecting it, you will be able to streamline the process of entering your card details. This is beneficial because it saves you time and effort when making purchases. After tapping on Samsung Pass, you will see a screen that prompts you to add a new card or manage existing ones. From there, tap on Cards. This section allows you to view all the cards you have added. If this is your first time using Wallet, it might be empty, which is perfectly fine. This is your opportunity to start filling it with your important payment information. Having your cards in one place not only simplifies transactions, but also enhances your shopping experience. Now it's time to tap on Payment Cards. This option will take you to the part of the app where you can add your credit or debit cards. You will see an option to either scan your card or enter the card details manually. This flexibility is great because some users prefer one method over the other. It's all about what makes you comfortable. Make sure to have your card ready, as this step is where you will input the essential information needed for future transactions. Scan your credit or debit card, or enter the card details manually. If you choose to scan your card, simply align it within the frame on the screen. The app will capture your card details automatically. If you prefer to enter the details manually, ensure that you input the card number, expiration date, and security code accurately. This step is critical because it ensures that your payment method is correctly linked to your wallet. Finally, complete the bank verification process. This may involve receiving a verification code via text or email, depending on your bank's security protocols. Follow the prompts on the screen to finalize the verification. This step is crucial as it adds an extra layer of security to your account, protecting your financial information. Once completed, you will see a confirmation appear, indicating that your card has been successfully added to Samsung Wallet. With these steps, you are now ready to use Samsung Wallet efficiently. Enjoy the convenience of having all your payment options in one secure place.